Jimmy Prendergast. I've been a strength and conditioning coach for the past 14 years, 13 in the college setting in Division I University, and this past year working with the U.S. Army Special Operations Command as a strength and conditioning specialist. So what got me into strength and conditioning was my passion for obviously getting stronger myself. What has kept me in strength and conditioning is the impact that you can make on other individuals. In the college setting, you're working with 18 to 22-year-olds, and arguably the most important time of your life, where you're becoming a young man or young woman. And in the weight room, you learn a lot about yourself. In the weight room, it doesn't matter if you're the last person coming off the bench or the 4-year starter and All-American. The weights weigh the same. The 45-pound barbell is the same for everybody. And that's really what has kept me in strength and conditioning, was the impact the weight room can make. And then this past year, going into the U.S. Army Special Operations, working with that community, I love this country and everything it's about, and I'm just part of a bigger team now. Instead of working at a university, now I feel like I'm working for this country and trying to make an impact that way. And if I can help our operators get back in the fight or just make them better, I'm happy to do so.
I'm the owner of Fox's BBQ here in Clarksville, Tennessee. I am a 23-year veteran of the United States Army. I retired out of Fort Campbell, Kentucky here in the Clarksville area. I am a retiree from the Sustainment Brigade of the 101st Airborne Division, Fort Campbell, Kentucky. During 9/11, 9/11, the soldiers were stranded on Fort Campbell Boulevard, and I just needed to do something to make sure that the soldiers weren't hungry, standing in lines because the lines were so long. So then I went to my neighbor a couple of days later, had him make me a couple of barrels. I then went back out to the Fort Campbell area, not to sell anything, but to just feed the soldiers that were in line. That led to me selling One thing led to another. I then got a contract on post. I stayed on post on Fort Campbell, Kentucky for about 9 years, stayed there, and then I moved here. So total, I have about 21 years experience in the barbecue business. We are a mom and pop store. We're not a chain restaurant. We take pride in what we do. Everything that we do here is cooked fresh daily. Our wings are cooked fresh daily. Our ribs are cooked fresh daily. Our sides are cooked fresh daily by my wife. So we take pride in what we do. I recommend here at Fox's the ribs. The rib tips are absolutely amazing. The ribs are falling off the bone. They're smoked for about 4.5, 5 hours per day. So that makes them really, really good. We smoke them over hickory and we smoke them over cherry wood. Depending on what time of the year it is, hickory in the wintertime, cherry in the summer. So it gives it that great flavor. When you come here, you also get a chance to experience the dining that we have here, the sports bar atmosphere that we've created. Also, just the down-home feeling of coming to a mom and pop store makes you feel at home and welcome here. So we welcome all veterans and all alike to come here at Fox's Barbecue at 521 Heritage Point Drive, Clarksville, Tennessee, and we welcome you.
At the end of the day, the barbell for me has always been my North Star, has always been my lighthouse, because if I'm ever off track in life, whether it's family-wise, work-wise, professionally, doesn't matter. If I get myself right in here under a barbell, everything else, I'm better. I'm a better father, a better husband, a better worker. Like everything comes down to me being consistent and doing the right things physically, because then it handles me mentally. So I think the importance of straining, getting uncomfortable, getting yourself under a bar, or just doing something physically taxing and physically uncomfortable will take care of a lot of things and get yourself right mentally and physically.
My wife Linda.
I really need to start focusing on your love. I really need to start focusing. I really need to start focusing. I really